Understanding the phrase, clean up nicely in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, clean up nicely. This phrase is commonly used but can be confusing for English learners. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means and how to use it in everyday conversations. First, let's break down the phrase, clean up nicely. Literally, clean up refers to the act of cleaning or tidying something or oneself. And nicely is an adverb that means in a pleasing or attractive manner. However, when these words are combined in this phrase, they take on a different, more figurative meaning. In a figurative sense, clean up nicely is often used to compliment someone who looks surprisingly good, especially when they have made an extra effort to dress up or groom themselves for a special occasion. It implies a transformation from looking ordinary or casual to looking very polished or attractive. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use clean up nicely in context. 1. I didn't recognize Mark at the wedding. He cleans up nicely. 2. You clean up nicely. I'm used to seeing you in casual clothes at work. In these examples, the phrase is used to express pleasant surprise at someone's improved appearance. It's important to note that clean up nicely should be used carefully. It can sometimes be seen as backhanded or implying that the person doesn't usually look good. So, it's best used in a light-hearted or clearly positive context. In different English-speaking cultures, this phrase might have slightly varied connotations. However, in general, it remains a light-hearted compliment about someone's appearance, especially when they dress up well for an occasion. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, clean up nicely. We hope you now feel confident using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, it's all about context and tone. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.